All right, this morning we have some broken glass, and so I'm going to be documenting the process of what we're going to do. We have worked with Prime, and they're going to be sending us some new glass. And I worked you got to find on the manufacturer, every window will have some kind of sticker, some way, and I'm running around this to say, here's their sticker, to say there's our PO number, Mountain View number 10743. That's what we needed. And then their SOU number is how they use it to get this new piece of glass. So I just broke the one pane, so we're working from the pane of glass. And to work that, and you have to take the glazing bead out first. And this is kind of the trick. You want to try to do this as safe as you can without breaking the glazing bead. A lot of times we'll ask for a new glazing bead when it comes, just in case we break a piece of this stuff that's pretty flimsy. And this is one of the things that over time, every window manufacturer uses different types of this. And so like here's Prime's, and they'll have different glazing beads in the different lines of windows. But if you don't have to redo it, it's nice because these have been cut to size. So Grant's doing a great job removing those. And once that glazing bead's out, then you'll have to just break the seal of the glass next. So we'll do that after we get this glazing bead off. For best fitting, when you take those off, you want to set those where they come off, because that's going to be their memory and where they were cut for putting those back together. So one of the things you can see, this is the shim that they set that glass in, so the glass has room to move so it doesn't break. And so now he's going to, once we got the glazing beads off, we're going to turn that around so that the glass comes out, because it'll have a seal on there, and to remove that glass. Put something under there, because the break, you're going to have some little pieces of broken glass. So we use this thick cardboard here to catch any pieces that we can put into the trash. And then now Grant's going through and breaking that seal so that the glass will come out of the window. So when we say here's our shop back here for servicing parts and pieces and glazing and mulling, this is what we mean. Really take your time with this part. Got gloves on because this is dangerous. You don't want to hit any of that glass. So you really want to take your time and get all that seal broken and gently take this out. Don't just go whacking away at it, because you can hurt yourself and damage the window versus just replacing the glass. I also have the warranty label here, which is great, that tells you all the information. I just learned that. I didn't know Prime did that. That's super cool. And once you have it broke from the seal, just kind of lift that up, and there you have it out. So now we'll get the new piece of glass and reverse everything we just did, taking it out, and she'll be good to go. So this glazing bead really pops off easy, but we want to, before you put the new one in, you want to clean that off and put, no, not glazing bead, what's this material called, Grant?
Double-sided tape.
The double-sided tape that seals that. You want to put new on there. The other thing is knowing how they cut. So I laid this out to say the bottom of this is square, and then they angled the top. But we're always, reverse engineering. We're marking these just in case, as we're storing them and getting the new glass, to make sure you put them all on right. So just all tricks that just line yourself out so that you're efficient and thoughtfully get stuff done. And so here's the double-sided tape we're talking about, that you want to remove all that and then put new on there to catch that seal.